what exactly is the importance of these future skills and why these students should actually think of making these as their career options.
UX is not just about how aesthetically the product looks, right? Or how pleasing the design is, but it is also about designing something that is easy to work upon. But what are these future skills that we are looking forward for, or students generally, what industry is looking forward for are basically the skills that are being accepted by industry, right? Where you are able to handle your or understand social skills, your research skills, your design thinking skills. There are organizational skills, like how to work with different people around you, how to collaborate with people. Being an on, if you become an entrepreneur, how to work with them, how to collaborate with them. So these are all even tools. As a designer, it is very important to understand what are the tools that are existing and are upcoming, right? Every now and then, there are coming different tools where people are working upon and they are getting improved every day, right? So we need to be upskill with those things.